Hello, my dear beloved brother and sister. Only this video, Morshad and Rahan Kobir. As you can see, this weather and this area, amazing area. As you can see, and here a big trees. Okay, as you can see, I don't know this name. Okay, but here many peoples sitting. Okay, and some people like uh, walking. Okay, and some people running. Okay, and here some people sitting and some people exercise. Okay, so must be uh, must be uh, here you should come. Okay, and as you can see many peoples. Okay, some people gossiping, some people exercise, and some people like as you can see exercise. Okay, this here lots of instrument, exercise instrument. Okay, as you can see. Okay, our bodybuilder uncle. Okay, and here brother. Okay, so and as you can see my behind lots of instrument. Okay, so must be you should come here. Okay, so thank you brother. Next see you soon. Allah Hafiz.